This all-in-one tool can make your life much more easier. Visit this website, TinyWow.com. This is the best site that offers free online PDF conversion and other useful tools to solve all kinds of problems. In the PDF section, you can convert your PDF to Word, or Excel, lock and unlock your PDF, and much more. In the image section, you can blur your image background, unblur your image, compress your image size, and much more. In the video section, you can mute your video, and also you can download Instagram, Twitter, TikTok videos, and much more. In the Files section, you can convert XML, JSON, and CSV files. In the Other section, you can convert URLs to PDF, PNG, and JPG formats. And also you can generate QR code. All files, both processed and unprocessed, are deleted after 1 hour. It's 100% free and it has no hourly limits and restrictions.